lọ ìta fàájì àríyá Miliki Mission ayé máa mi fẹ́ fàájì la wà. kájọmá
ẹgbẹ́ náà Yorùbá Professional Foundation darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹgbẹ́ tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ káàkiri ìlú mọ̀ọ́ká ẹgbẹ́ tí a mọ̀ sí ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà tí ó ń jẹ́ Yorùbá World Congress tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn gbogbo àpapọ̀ gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ni ó wá parapọ̀ ńsìn tó wá di ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà formerly Yorùbá World Congress. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ bá rí ìdí tí a ṣe wá síbí ilé ní kò ń ṣe láti ja ìjàngbara nípa ti ọkọ̀ tàbí ti ìbọn, ṣùgbọ́n báyìí a fẹ́ jàjàngbara àwọn èèyàn wa nípa ti kérò kí ètò ọrọ̀ ajé wa kí ó lè ṣe kíni kí ó lè gbèrú sí ó lè rú gọ́gọ́ oríṣiríṣi èdè Yorùbá la lè lò. Ó ní inú mi ṣe máa ń dùn pé mo jọmọ Yorùbá, torí tí kò bá gbà báyìí á gbà báyìí, ibi bá ti ẹ̀dẹ̀ wù kó gbà ibìkan láṣẹ kíni lájá sí. A nígbàgbọ́ pé gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tí ó wà ń bí ọmọ Yorùbá ni wá. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ a fẹ́ pé kí a ní òmúlùmálà níbí báyìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹni tí ò bá ti ń ṣe ọmọ Yorùbá tí ó bá wà ń bí
àbáwọ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n sílẹ̀ Yorùbá.
irọ́ kò sáyé ẹ̀ kò sáyé ẹ̀ kò sáyé ẹ̀ ẹni tèmi rò pé ó lẹ́gbàá àti wà ń bí tó bá jóbìnrin tó fẹ́ wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹmọ̀ kó ti dára wa báyìí lọ́rọ́ ní tí ewé bá pẹ́ lára ọṣẹ òun náà dọṣẹ. So àwọn obìnrin ló láǹfààní láti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ́tà wa ọkùnrin ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá pọ́nbélé, yálà ní apá ẹsẹ̀ ti bàbá ni àbí ti ìyá, ó ṣàgbọ́dọ̀ lẹ́jẹ̀ Yorùbá lára. Ìdí ni pé ó níbi tá à ń lọ o ọdẹ ní Yorùbá ní tíṣẹ́ ò bá ṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ ìdédé ṣẹ́ ètò wà ìlànà wà ibi tá à ń lọ wà. Ó dẹ̀dà ipọ́ náà jìn ní ọ̀nà òjì ibi tó ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní eléyìí ibi tá à yà ló pọ̀ kò jìnnà rárá. Torí náà mo kí wa káàbọ̀ sí ètò tí a fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ òní. Èyí kọ́ ni àkọ́kọ́ rú ẹ̀ ní bíbáyìí tí a máa kọ́kọ́ ṣe. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì lélẹ̀ àkọ́kọ́ rú ẹ̀ wáyé ní oṣù tó kọjá. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn tó dẹ̀ wá síbí tó jàǹfààní ẹ̀ nínú wọn dùn, kódà ó wù wọ́n bíi pé kán tún wá sún tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí. Ṣùgbọ́n ok ǹjẹ́ a ní èèyàn tó jàǹfààní. Ẹ ṣeun ẹ káàbọ̀ mà ẹ ṣeun. Ètò tí a ṣe nígbà náà lọ́hùn ni títí ẹ̀rọ ìmúnáwá tí a ń pè ní solar àti títí smart home ní òmò òyìnbó ẹ̀ ní òmò Yorùbá ẹ̀ ẹni tó bá lè yá mi ní Yorùbá smart home.
Ìlò ṣì gidi láti ṣe ohun mèremère yìí.
Ẹ̀fọ́ bí àtẹ̀wọ́ tó ibi tí ṣìgìdì ti wá jáde ń bẹ̀ torí pé sọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe sọ yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe jẹ́ mo kó wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ tán ṣìgìdì wẹ́ ṣe agbátẹrù ètò yìí torí pé wọ́n kúndùn àti pé kí àwọn ọmọ ènìyàn kí wọ́n ní ipa àti agbára láti lè dá nǹkan ṣe láyé ara wọn, yẹn tá à ń pè ní human capital development. Òun náà ṣe gbétò ìkàlẹ̀ lágbára náà fún gbogbo èèyàn tí ó bá ń kópa níbí báyìí. Ètò tún wà fún oúnjẹ ọ̀fẹ́ ní ọ̀sán fún gbogbo wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fún wọn ní àtẹ́wọ́ o. Ẹ̀sùn ilé ibi tí a wà yìí là ń pè ní ilé Oòduà. Mi ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́nikẹ́ni tó bá wà bí máa ṣe bí àjèjì, torí tó bá jọmọ Oòduà tó dẹ̀ wà nílé Oòduà ilé ló ṣe kí ni ilé ló wà yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n nítorí pé àkọ́kọ́ wa láti wá sí irú bíbà yìí ni a lè fẹ́ máa ṣe bí pé tàbá kọ́kọ́ débì kan ojú á máa tì wá. inú mi dẹ̀ dùn pé arákùnrin tí wọ́n jẹ́ olùtukọ̀ wa wá síbí pé ọ̀dọ́ náà làwọn láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà máa tó máa rí àwọn bàbá àṣàlẹ̀ wa náà tán máa yọjú síbí lénìí fún ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ètò náà tí a bá ṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n atótónu pọ̀ lénìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọjọ́ kìíní tó bá máa fi di ọ̀la a máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń pè ní practical lórí advanced technology using Excel àti digital marketing. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ wá fún ni pé mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa tí a bá wà bí kí a lo ìbòmú wa. Kí ká má bàa jìyà, Yorùbá ní ká má bàa jìyà la ṣe ń ṣe kí ni? Mo mọ ìtàn èèyàn kan tí kò mọ mọ́tò wà tó gba driver tí driver ẹ̀ wà gúnlẹ̀ sórí Third Mainland Bridge tó sọ kí ìlú láyà. Irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó dáa. Torí ọjọ́ tá accountant multinational company tá à ń lérò tó bá máa ju kí ìwà lùwà láyà pé mi ò bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe àkáǹtì ẹ mọ́, àwa náà kàn ṣe kí ni? Àmọ́ ṣe nǹkan wa lọ títí tá a máa fi rí ẹlòmíì nǹkan tó fẹ́ nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹlòmíì náà fẹ́ wò pé èmi gan mo fẹ́ ṣe àkáǹtì PZ, and olóyìnbó máa ní no knowledge is a waste. So but ìdí tí inú mi fi dùn ní pé àwọn nǹkan tí a fẹ́ ṣíjú wa sí lé bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti èní lọ títí di ọjọ́ Jímọ̀ ó jẹ́ àwọn nǹkan tí a máa nílò lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ẹlòmíì fúnra ẹ̀, mo ti wà lórí ayélujára tí wọ́n ń béèrè fún ẹni tó mọ̀ nípa kínní ní ìlú New Zealand. Ibi táyé dẹ̀ ti lajú dé ìbáyìí community town whichever way, nítorí pé ayé ti ṣe kí ni? Ó ti lu jára. Kò sí pé nǹkan kan láyé àtijọ́. Mo rántí ìgbà táwa wà secondary school, etí la máa fi gbọ́n pé wọ́n ń ṣe nǹkan báyìí lóyìnbó. Lẹ́yìn 10 years láṣẹ máa dé Nàìjíríà bí. Mo rántí pé ìgbà kan gbé VCD dé, ó ní nǹkan tá à ń lò gbà yẹn téèpù, àwa fọwọ́ yí báyìí ẹ̀kan nígbà kan pé ara àǹfààní tí irú nǹkan ètò báyìí wà fún ní pé tẹ bá wò ó lápá apọ̀tá dáwà nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà yìí, àbí mo parọ́, apọ̀ lóríṣiríṣi Fúlàní, Haúsá, Tífí, Ìgalà, gbogbo oríṣiríṣiríṣi. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ bá wòye dáadáa, tẹ bá wo United Kingdom, USA àtàwọn ìlú ńláńlá káàkiri, tó bá sọ pé ọmọ Nàìjíríà kan ló yàn sípò ńlá kan bẹ̀, ìsídà kó jẹ́ Yorùbá àbí kó jẹ́ Ìgbò. Tẹ bá ní tí ò bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ lè sọ pé mo parọ́ ẹlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ rọ̀. Ìsídà kó jẹ́ Yorùbá àbí Ìgbò. Ó ṣàgùdọ̀ jẹ́ Southern Nigeria. Tí ó bá tiẹ̀ ń ṣe Yorùbá, tí ò bá ń ṣe Ìgbò, á jẹ́ Southern Nigeria. Àwa rí pé àwọn kan nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà táwa ní nǹkan tó mọ̀ ní kán máa jagun tiwọn. Ṣùgbọ́n kan táwa fẹ́ mọ̀ ní ká máa fi kún ọpọlọ tiwa. Torí olóyìnbó ní pen is what? Mightier than sword. Nǹkan tó gbé wa wá síbí nìyẹn. We want our pen, our brain to be mightier than our sword. Tásìkò bá tó, a máa rí pé nǹkan tí yóò bá ń pinnu láti ṣe nǹkan tó láǹfààní púpọ̀ ní fún wa àti ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ wa. Mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bàbá wa Awólọ́wọ̀, torí ẹ̀ mọ inú mi ṣe ń dùn pé mo jọmọ Yorùbá tó fún wa láǹfààní pé a ní àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n lóye ìwé nínú ẹbí kankan. Ìgbà tí bàbá yẹn ní dream yẹn ó wò pé ẹbí kan ó kéré tán èèyàn kan gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe kí ni? Kàwé, kó mọ nǹkan tó bá ṣe ń ṣe àròpọ̀ àti ìṣirò àti gbogbo ẹ̀ nínú ẹbí kan. Ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́ni, ǹjẹ́ ó lẹ́bí nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tí ò ní graduate? Ǹjẹ́ ó lẹ́bí? Tẹ bá wá síta a máa sponsor ẹbí. Ń pé ẹbí yìí kò tiẹ̀ sí graduate. Yorùbá ti kọjá gbogbo yẹn. A ti wá wò pé ok, a ti ní graduate, yet ìyà sì ń jẹ wá. Now the next step ta fẹ́ ṣe ni pé èèyàn kan nú ẹbí kan gbọ́dọ̀ jẹni tó ní owó. ọ̀kan bá lówó mu ọ̀dọ̀ Yorùbá máa ń ní pé olówó nítorí a fẹ́ kí gbogbo èèyàn lóye tó bá máa fi di Friday torí wọ́n máa yẹ̀ wá wò lórí nǹkan tá a bá kọ́ o wọ́n máa yẹ̀ wá wò kò ń ṣe pé a kàn fẹ́ wá ṣe màjíìkì bíbà àwọn bàbá wa tó ń bọ̀ wá ṣe ìfilọ́lẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe kí wọ́n á lè sọ bóyá àárínú wọn náà tó bá wù bá kó dẹ̀ níbi kọ́ wọn mọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ parọ́ tán yìí lára àwọn tó wá fún practical class tó kọjá from both sides both smart home and solar wọ́n ti ń gbaṣẹ́ nípasẹ̀ ìlànà ọmọ ìlú ẹgbẹ́ pàtẹ́wọ́. mi ò parọ́ kò ń ṣàsọdùn lára àwọn tó wà bí wọ́n parọ́ mà wọ́n ti ń gbaṣẹ́ ìjọba ṣe ní December barely 3 weeks ago wọ́n ti ń gbaṣẹ́ èmi ò wá sọ pé nítorí pé a ti wá síbí ìsìn pa máa gbaṣẹ́ náà orí ló dẹ̀ mọ̀ yẹn ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó jà jù ní pé a mọ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe ń bí àwọn ibi tá à ń lọ ẹ̀yin ni kẹ́ ṣe kí ni kẹ́ gbéra kẹ́ máa bá wa lọ orúkọ tèmi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ni Adébáyọ̀ Ayọ̀dèjì mo jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí ìlú Ìlógbò Èkìtì ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èkìtì ẹ ṣeun.
Yorùbá tó jọmọ́rọ́ dìde mẹ́rọ àtẹ̀yìnbó lè tó àmàbíṣẹ́. I'm the Media and Communications Secretary for Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà worldwide and also the convener of Yoruba Professionals Foundation. Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà is a Yoruba self-determination group. It's an umbrella group of the Yoruba socio-cultural and self-determination groups that believe that Yoruba should have self-determination. There are many umbrella bodies. There are many people calling themselves umbrella bodies. But we have an objective in Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà. Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà is for self-determination for Yoruba land. If they cannot give us our own republic, then they should give us the self-determination we had in the First Republic, where the Yorubas, they were running their businesses, we manage our roads, we manage our schools, we manage our businesses, infrastructures, we manage everything. The federal government under Tafawa Balewa was always saddled with the responsibility of managing foreign relations, printing and meeting the CBN, and defense, the military, then the police, and what else? So that's what the federal government then, the central government then, was gave it. Others are managed by the states then, the regions then were still states then, and regions then were strong. We saw what the wonders Awolowo did with our cocoa, which the number of industries himself and his lieutenants, and Jashi, the Jakode and Co. The infrastructures in Lagos today, the majority of them were by Jakode initiatives. The Lagos State Polytechnic, Lagos State University, colleges of education, the allowance of the Port of Ose, virtually everything. If you were born in Lagos or you read history, you understand what I'm saying. You saw the wonders Adekunle Ajayi did in Ondo State. Those the University of Ado Ekiti there now, same university, the Fofiwa Polytechnic, the industries Ajayi built. So those are so we in Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà, we believe we should, if they cannot allow that to happen, okay, let's go on our way. So that is the self-determination campaign we have. So as a group of professionals, which I convene, we are a member of the Yoruba Professionals Foundation, is a member of Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà. Like many other groups, there are tens and hundreds of groups registered under Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà. So in the first edition we did here, like Mr. Deji said, some of the people. So that's a training from 100. So and the implication is that once you are a member of YPF, you are a member of Ìlànà. Once you are in the YPF, you understand me, you are a member of Ìlànà. You get. So that's just it. So we are like the So in my come on waste time alawa. So I think I should properly introduce him once again. He's a member of the trustees of Board of Trustees of Yoruba Professionals Foundation, and he's still presently acting as our Director of Media and Communications for the Yoruba Professionals Foundation. Others are not here. When they come, they will introduce Barrister Olada Bokayo, the member of the trustee. Samuel Adegoro, our organizing secretary, says on his way. The leader of Ilana Moduduwa is this Baba, Emeritus Professor Bansi Akitoye. He was the senator in the Second Republic. The Second Republic were the people that were in National Assembly between 1979 and 1982. So he's from Adegiti. He's an emeritus professor of history from OAU, later to United States. He taught African studies and development in several universities in the United States for 25 years. He's back home now to join all this 86 years old, you can imagine, and still interested in developing the youth. He has left, he's no longer in partisan politics. He left partisan politics in the Buhari Junta of 1984. So he's no longer involved in partisan politics. His goal is to encourage people like us, a group of professionals, and now we can develop the younger generation. You know what we are doing is in line with the philosophy of Awolowo. If you know what Awolowo did then, the Fulanis, they were majorly concerned with power. Up to now, power. Awolowo was building the younger generation. Education. Yes. Education. Now, when today, àwọn ọlọ́run tó ń ní power ẹ̀ tó máa kù sí kan tó fẹ́ ṣe ṣe wọ́n pé àwọn Yorùbá náà máa pè tó yálẹ̀ tó bá fẹ́ yan media advisor, economic advisor, they will come down the south and go to, maybe you've heard of Joe Biden, the president-elect of the United States, appointing Nigerians. In Britain, there are many Nigerians in the British Parliament. One of them is the daughter of one of our leaders, Dr. Adegoke Kemi Badenoch. He's the leader of, his father is the chairman of Voice of Reason. Voice of Reason is one of the Yoruba leading groups. It's a group that has the likes of Baba Elisade. You know, all of you know Elisade Motors. The owner of Eco Hospital. That's his father. How many, I'm sorry to say, how many Hausa friends? To me, a real Hausa man is very honest and straightforward than an average Yoruba man. I'm sorry. An average Hausa man. So I'm not an bigot. You understand me? But this time around, we are talking about our future. Now, this, how many ọmọ Hausa mélòó or Fulani mélòó lẹ gbọ́ pé David Cameron àbí Boris Johnson who appoint Fulani appointment tó bá ṣe Yorùbá wọn ṣe they are from the south. I mean US ọmọ Hausa mélòó lẹ gbọ́ pé ó èdè agency kan ní US. Ọwọ́ náà ni that is what Awolowo designed. So but at the over the environment I put in today now, you see the Igbos taking over commerce and industry in Lagos. No, I want to work collecting junction. We need to stop this. So I've formed Yoruba Professionals Foundation for a purpose to develop knowledge-based entrepreneurship. What is knowledge-based entrepreneurship? We mean sciences, technology, and innovation. Me, I read political science in school. I think that certificate College of Education in Kerry, I think that certificate. I think that University, I think that certificate. University of Lagos, I think that certificate. When I was to start my doctorate degree in Bangkok University, I didn't even go there with. I only sent transcript to them. You get. So innovation will be job. So that is the trend. If you are not, I am not a scientist, I'm not a technologist, but innovation. So that is what Yoruba Professionals Foundation starts from. That's why when we were to start, we started with solar technology and smart homes. Smart homes is in IT security now. For instance, now you can be here. I can be here in this my phone. Okay, my money to money. I should travel a lot by day. Once there is internet network. Mama will phone as is know, àwọn Dangote gbogbo àwọn bó ṣe monitor trust wọn they see as you are driving they monitor it wọ́n ti ní trackers nínú kí wọ́n as a like and Jumoke now ọmọ ẹ̀ ó wà nínú yàrá pẹ̀lú náà nílé ó wà lọ́fíìsì wọ́n máa monitor lórí fún everything they do quite close gbogbo kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí tó lóun ẹ̀ you be watching so it was total technology then solar mo ní solar wà ní àmì rẹ̀ mo rí dán gbèsè because aunty Toyin was training them she said again today so knowledge based so then our second objective is promoting agriculture and food security today now any little issue tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní north ibi oúnjẹ àwọn bíbá yìí àbí so and kòkó yẹ àgbẹ̀ ní Awólọ́wọ̀ fi build the western region then kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ everybody àwọn youth wa ń gbówó orí àǹkọ̀kadà ṣe conductor why tí ó bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ ńlé yahoo all those things as in nǹkan tó wà báyìí àwọn sugar daddy as in see just we need to engage ourselves so and last and third one is promoting investment potentials in Yoruba. In 2017 I was in Akure and to consult for Ondo State Development and Ondo State Development and Investment Promotion Agency, ODIPA. Which one Ondo State? Okay, and I know you are from Owabi. Okay, no one follow from. Okay, Ondo State. I tried if you go with Ondo, you have internet, the hidden wealth of the nation. I developed the content. Ondo, the hidden wealth of the nation. The governor, so the following day when we were doing the official inauguration of ODIPA, Governor Akeredolu said he didn't read it. If all of his friends in Canada read it and sent it to him, he now referred to the story. Ondo alone can feed Yoruba land. Ondo alone can feed Yoruba land. It's the hidden wealth of Nigeria. The little in Ibadan is enough to serve us in Ibadan. So we have so one of our goals is to promote our investment potentials. Our Coco, the governor of my state, was Minister of Science and State Development. He played over in England and only staff were in Ibadan. He can't employ it. It's exclusively research. Why should federal government become resources in the federal sector? It's how to stop. So, but we can't touch it. Because
the future of this country, which unfortunately is being messed up by your phobias, among whom I feature, right? But it's really beautiful to see such bright faces rearing to go and willing to also find the places in the Committee of Nations and to do well. So actually, personally, and with the leader, Professor Banji Akitoye, we've always had cause to belly ache, to worry about what has happened to this country since the politicians, or rather, even before the politicians, the military people took over power. And ever since, you have what they call the militicians. I'm sure you heard of that word before. Militicians. What does it mean? Yes, military men who also became politicians. I'm sure you realize that they've been in power ever since 1966. So, and they've stultified the movement of the coming generations since 1966. 66, I just started in the university as a graduate assistant. And it's been so forever. Okay? So it's a very bleak picture, but thank God, young people like you, still very bright-eyed, really eager to express yourselves and to go far. Right? And I thank God for that. There's no doubt that we shall succeed, or rather, you will succeed. No doubt about that, because where there is will, there's always a way. So be assured that the future belongs to you. And all you need to do is to have the spunk, the energy, the willpower to survive, to not only to survive, to prevail. And you cannot miss it. You cannot go wrong. So you are you are the future of the land. You have the energy, you have the willingness, the voluntary approach, and also you have the intelligence, and more importantly, the modern era belongs to you. When I say the modern era, what do I mean? It's this, what you have before you. That is the computer as a tool, right? You know, I mean, man is just transiting from an old age into the new age. I'm sure you are aware.
Yes.
Yeah, that is. Now we are in the age of information, IT. What do you call it? Information technology. It used to be mechanical and all the other things, all the expressions. But today, it's information. And that is why you cannot be boxed. Nobody can control your views anymore or whatever you want to do. They may try, but they will fail. So I'm happy that you people are organizing yourselves and you want to not only survive, but you want to prevail. And God, in His infinite mercy, will make sure, will help you to prevail in Jesus' name. Amen. Yes, I don't want to bore you with too much talk. Maybe you should make this one at least introductory thing. We'll make it an interactive thing. You may have some questions, and I won't be loath to answer questions within my own competence. So let's say people who have ideas, who want to ask for things, maybe belonging to the old age, that I know a bit about, and then we share their ideas, and we try and plan with you for the future. So, ladies and gentlemen, once more, thank you so much for the opportunity and welcome to the future of the nation. Thank you.
Thank you, Ibudai. So let's also give the floor to Dr. Adewale Banjo.
I think you have taken the steps in the wrong order.
Oh, sorry.
Why?
But it's okay.
He is more into this than me. He's an engineer, and he's into the IT.
Well, as Prof has said, if we want to start from 1966, it will be a long talk and it's unnecessary. But suffice it to say that our generation has failed this mission. It was in our time that the country became independent, and from then on we have been going down the drain. But we pray that God will give us the grace and be merciful to us that we can change things possibly in our own lifetime. But then the future, like Prof said, belongs to you. We are exiting very soon, and you are taking over, but you must ensure success, whatever you do. Information, technology, artificial intelligence are the things of the future. Here is the start. What we do today, what we do tomorrow, are the things that will lead us to these future things. I'm particularly intrigued by development in these areas. Mr. Elon Musk, do you know about him?
The richest man.
Yes, he's the richest man in the world. And to believe that he started as a single person in this same generation of ours and became the richest man in the world, all he's doing is just this and developing electric cars, sending Americans to the moon and so on. He's not the richest man. So the sky is open for all of us, all of you. Once you have the determination and the goal that you want to go through, you can be rest assured that support will come for you as long as you have a goal within you and you are determined to meet that goal. They'll certainly get you support. These days, there's nothing you can do really successfully without information technology, without computers. Everything has to be done with the computer now. In fact, when we were starting school, everything was notebook and biro, and so on. These days, you don't do that anymore. And then when this one came, Fortran, Cobalt, and so on, the language that was in there, but it's been condensed now to Microsoft, Excel, Word, and so on, PowerPoint. Thank God for that. Knowledge is limitless. It's limitless. And it's for us to be able to grab it where it is and also contribute to our own project. I'm glad to say full class now. The last set wasn't as full as this, but this is much fuller set. Got this impression that it's now catching on and people are getting more interested to develop themselves so it can be useful, not only to themselves but to the nation as a whole. Lord bless you. Amen.
So before our daddy leaves, so please, he said that you allow you guys to ask him whatever questions you want to ask.
My name is Adisha Adibega. State of Ondo State, Looking at this is my first time experience of having a knowledge that we have a group called Yoruba meeting like this. But he told me about it as how it doesn't work. But what I want to ask now is that with what you have said, it shows that we Yorubas, we have something that we can offer the world. Now where we are, we can't get this. The Northerns are getting more than us. What can we, or what can our elder do to make an average Yoruba appreciate an average Hausa man? They get more because apart from them being ruling us now, they get more. So what is our elder doing? In the next 5 years or 10 years from now, where are we going? Where are we expected, or we are expecting Yoruba to be? But with resources we have, because when you are ending your discussion, sir, you said with all the resources we have in Yoruba land, Ondo can feed Nigeria. Then I keep on asking, what is the next step? What can we do for us to get to where we are going? We have everything. We have education. We have intellectual. We have everything. Not an average Northern cannot even stand a Yoruba man. I stand anywhere to defend that. But with all our everything, where can we get to? What can our elder do in the next 2 or 3, 5 years from now to take a Yoruba to a level whereby people can appreciate that I am now a Yoruba person. I can be proud to be a Yoruba person anywhere, anytime, and any day. Thank you.
Sir, good morning. Sir, I really want to appreciate this forum, and it is a good thing to also have you here, and even for the opportunity given to us for this question. Thank you, coordinator and all. But my question now is, I haven't said all. You said it that your generation has failed us. That word is there is much more to that word. It isn't as if your generation didn't know what to do. It isn't as if your generation were not informed. It isn't as if your generation were not coordinated. Now you're trying to, you feel bitter. You felt it cannot just go on this way. That is why you are trying to give out what you have or what you couldn't achieve in order to pass it on to this generation. Thank you for that. But now, the thing, there is still a note, there is still a condition, there is still a fact that we need to get right. We are going. Okay, the NSAS, for example, it was being coordinated by the youth. What is the outcome of it? It is not just getting this information. It is not just being equipped. What is the way forward? What next? After this, what next? The platform is not there. Talking about power, we know how it is. Okay, yes, it is a good thing we are putting ourselves together, Yoruba, we need to do this. But what next? The information, the knowledge we have, and we are not giving the platform the opportunity to make use of it. What is the use? So this is my question.
Yeah. There's no doubt that clearly the older generation, even before mine, yes, those who really took on the struggle against the colonial masters. And in my own time, I grew up under the colonial thing. I finished my secondary school education just around the time when we attained so-called independence. And the older generation of students then, that to which the leader belongs, they were really very active and they were hopeful and there were opportunities, okay? And we did that, and you know, the country, because of its way, sorry about that, so you see, for reasons best known to the British, who were the colonial masters, and our own leaders. Remember then, we had a true federal system. The various, they weren't called then states, they were called regions, and there were 3. I'm sure you know about all that. I'm told history is now no longer taught, which is part of the same old trickery. Right? So clearly, as Mr. Adesheye hinted at, everything was loaded in favor of the Northerners for reasons best known to them. You understand? So we shouldn't bother about that. Clearly, the British helped to prop up the Northerners and then put them in a position of strength. Okay? And with all the troubles around the 60s till about 66, and there was an attempt by leaders. He was party, by Professor Akutui, he was party to that. He was able to become a senator even then, and he worked with Awolowo, whom he knew very personally, who had hopes for the place. But what was the real problem? Let me say it in a nutshell. The Northerners didn't want their own space opened up. It was convenient for them to do what they did best, and I'm sure you know about that. We shouldn't really expand on that, but they wanted to keep their own region, if you want, of technology. Okay? And that's the future. What I'm saying is this: don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Everything is for you. Okay? God who made you to be so bright-eyed and eager to go and to seize the opportunities is not asleep. He's going to provide for you. You are going to have the tools. Now, let me identify a few aspects of things which are very important. For example, you know, all of you, are there non-Yorubas here?
Mowa.
You are?
Mowa.
Eh?
That was basic requirement.
It's a requirement.
It was a requirement.
Only for Yoruba.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. My name is. I am from Kwara State. I'm from Ilorin, Kwara State. I'd like to thank the organizers and everyone here. It's a beautiful place and a wonderful atmosphere with all pleasure and sincerity. I thank Almighty God for making me to see you guys actually. I was born in Kano State and my parents are Fulani Ilorin. I never knew my identity until when I was 18 years old. Back then, I used to think that I was Yoruba. When I was in SS3 during our senior-wise examination revision class, that was when the Yoruba teacher was asking each and every one of us, like, Yoruba, Yoruba. I was flowing with everyone. Like we are one actually, because with all love and sincerity, I love Yoruba because Yoruba culture is one of the culture that shaped my modesty, my moral character.
She's from Ilorin.
I'm from Kwara State, sir.
What's the language?
I'm Fulani, sir.
You're Fulani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good.
I used to think that I was Yoruba when I was born in Kano State. My parents are military personnel, sir.
Okay, but you speak Yoruba.
I still speak Yoruba.
Of course, you are adopted. As
Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure, sir. It's all pleasure. Thank you so much for welcoming me, sir.
If you read this script, you say that you will know Ilorin is Yoruba. And we are taking you back. So you are one of us. Ilorin is Yoruba. We were treated to but by the grace of Almighty God, we have you back.
It's not listening. Didn't listen to that. Didn't hear.
Hello, you're not telling me Ilorin is Yoruba land. Oh, Jimmy Baba. So we are not a Fulani man. Yoruba man.
Let me say one more. You see, clearly, we still have a country, and that country is called Nigeria. Though I don't agree with that. But you see, actually, the best thing that will happen to Nigeria is that all its components, all the ethnic groups to merge and become a true federation where everybody is free under the sky. You understand? The question of the culture, the language, all these other paraphernalia of they are just part of the whole baggage. The most important thing is that wherever you are and you are in Nigeria, you can settle there and fulfill yourself completely. That should be it. And that was the idea. But you see, there's nothing worse than fear. When people are afraid, they go into all kinds of strange things. When you are free of fear, the sky is the limit. You understand? And by all means, I wish Nigeria would prosper and accommodate all its components. And that was the way it was meant to be. But as I said earlier on, I said all our problems started with the military taking over power. And that's in 1966. And as you know, any army of occupation, what does it do? It just goes there to go on a rampage, steal, kill, and destroy. I will say that one anyway. I've already said it, even to many of my military friends. Actually, at the time, I started my career because I was forced to go to Ilorin, to Kaduna. I taught as a lecturer at the NDA. That's how I started before I came into the university. I was very rare. I was a rare commodity then. So they literally forced me to go to the NDA for those community. And I have many military friends. And I always said that they were the cause of our problems. So to Ademo, our friend, who is a Fulani, of course you're very much welcome.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's true. And the Fulani have been the main beneficiary of the goodies in Nigeria. I'm sure you know that.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure as a Fulani, the sky is the limit for you. Right?
It's not welcome.
Why it's welcome? It's a Yoruba. It's a
Yoruba now. Never deceive your friend again that you are a Fulani.
So clearly, ladies and gentlemen, make friends across the ethnic barriers. And there are opportunities. We don't need to compete. Actually, we are having a new technology. IT is a world that will expand for a long, long time to come. There will be opportunities. What are the major things that we need? Food security, security of your life and limb, everything, culture, everything. Everybody to grow. And where there are opportunities, you can expand as far as you can go. The living example, though they are having their own problems now, of modern federation, that is the American experience, which started in the 18th century, right? And that is supposed to show they are together. Their institutions have grown, and that is why Trump, in spite of his excesses, he could not really break everything, because they were not predicating on human types, on individuals. They were working with institutions. And that's what they're going to do, what they're going to do to him this week. That is, as an individual, it doesn't matter. You may have all the power, but you'll be contained by the institutions. We should work towards consolidating our institutions and making sure that everybody has a space under the sun to grow. Every young person should be able to do his best. And look at it, your most productive age is now, between age 18 and latest 45, not 60. I've already passed my productive age long ago. But by 45, that's when you are really productive. And the real tragedy of this country is that is in that same, what we call creative arc, most of you are not really expressing yourselves. You cannot do those things you really want to do, which is a tragedy. So, but as you are together as a group, as even I'm going to say to Matthew, all the people who are here, and as you go from one session to the other, I think you should form a class, right? That is where you interact and interrelate and keep in touch even after what you are doing here. That will help this country very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
No more questions. Please, hold on. There will be a closing ceremony on Friday. There are 3 hours to do everything. So please,
Sorry, I just want
this is
to
11 a.m. Not started to religion.
I'd like to just add a point to what Sheye said. You mentioned the Ilana Omo Yoruba, the objective that you don't seem to know. I don't know if you still want that question answered or you already know. But maybe just to add, to say something about it. The objective of the Ilana Omo Yoruba is self-determination for Yorubas. To say it in Koko, the Yorubas have been the forefront of development in this nation. But unfortunately, we have been rubbished very badly over the years, to the extent that the people in power, militias who are in power, have made it very hard for Yorubas to survive. It's like they are determined to wreck this nation, but preserve only the part that concerns them, that is the northern part of this nation. So the Yoruba people are thinking that if that scenario eventually rolls out, we should not be left mouth agape, not knowing what the next to do. That's why the preparation now is against such a possibility. And we are gearing up very hard to achieve that. Ilana Yoruba is determined to have self-determination for Yorubas. Hope that answers your question.
Right. I think that marks the end of the leave ceremony. So maybe when our daddy leaves, we do the mini other introduction, then we do self-introduction.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo dé. Orúkọ mi ni Ọpẹ́olúwa Sunday. Mo wá láti ìlú Oǹdó.
Oluwayomi Oluwapelumi, my name. Ekaro, sir, Ekaroma.
Your state of origin?
Ekiti State.
Sorry.
Everyone,
Good morning.
Comrade Farouk is my name. I am a Lagosian.
Orúkọ mi ni Fálọ́wọ́ Ọlábùkọ́lá Jùmọ̀kẹ́. Ó wá láti ìlú Oǹdó, Àkúrẹ́ town.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ní mọ́mọ́, orúkọ mi ni Rafiq Abdulmumin láti
Deborah Max, láti Ìlọrin.
Láti Ìlọrin.
orúkọ tèmi ni Kẹ́hìndé Àpènà láti Ẹ̀pẹ́, Lagos State.
Kadri Esther láti Kogi State.
Láti Kwara, Record Local Government.
Orúkọ mi ni Bello Rasheedat Motíráyọ̀ láti Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, Ọ̀yọ́ State.
Ọláwálé Àlàbí láti Ọ̀yọ́ State, Ìbàdàn.
Adesheyi Adegboyega from Ode Remo. Okay, Adesheyi Adegboyega from Ode Remo, Ogun State.
I'm from Lagos State.
I'm from Lagos State.
Orúkọ tèmi ni Festus Fọládàra Gàǹgbé. I'm from Badagry, Lagos State.
Tèmi ni Táwàkálítù Animal Sound. Mo wá láti Ayétòrò Òkèèrè ní Ọ̀yọ́ State. Aya wọn ní ìsàlẹ̀ Èkó gangan.
Ní Adéyẹmọ, Ìbàdàn, Ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́.
Abdulaziz Tiwalade Adébánjọ láti Èmùrẹ́-Rẹ́mọ, Ṣàgámù, Ogun State.
Mẹ́gbọ́lájí láti Ọ̀yọ́ State, Ọ̀yọ́ Township.
Ní Olúwabámidélé láti Ọ̀yọ́, Ìbàdàn.
Ìlàdé Adéṣọ̀gí láti Ọ̀yọ́ State, Ìbàdàn.
Láre Ìdòwú láti Ìlọrin, Ọ̀yọ́ State. Ìdòwú.
Orúkọ mi ni Maria Olúwatóyìn Arífáyọ̀ láti ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ Ìkẹrẹ́ Èkìtì ní Èkìtì State.
Aróyàlúwapọ̀ Elizabeth láti Òde Ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ local government Òde State.
Ọ̀ṣun àti okay, I think share the party where we need to quickly retire to our classes. We are ahead of schedule. I mean behind schedule already. So this is in absentia. I introduced I mentioned our organizing secretary's name there. So he's here now, Mr. Samuel Adeboro. Why is back on you? Okay. Okay, so this is the second time. So I think that officially comes to the end of the ceremony. Please, we have to.
Good morning, everyone. Yes, my name is Oluwatobi Adeoshu from Abeokuta, Ogun State. Thank you. So we are going to commence this training by reading a little profile of mine. I have a little opening speech and notes, and I'm going to read it now. And also, I would like to at least compliment this environment with Yoruba and English, and not only English alone, because we are Awarawa. Yes. Even I wanted to write the opening speech with Yoruba, but when I started, I couldn't finish. So I have to change my mind. Even if I read the first verse, everybody will just tell me, please, just it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm not that. So you pardon me for that. I'm going to read the opening speech in English language. And all are not small. This knowledge enables me to solve strategic problems for clients. I will be your trainer for the next 2 to 3 hours thereabouts, because we have already exhausted the time. All right. You may be wondering what Microsoft Excel is all about. And why is it so important to have the skill? Do you know that businesses and operations in most sectors cannot do without using Microsoft Excel? The reasons is sectors, whether big, medium, or small scales, deals with financial information. Am I right?
Yes, please.
Yeah. The financial information is derived from some raw data gotten from day-to-day activities. Am I right, sir?
Yes, please.
All right.
Hello, please, can we silence our
I proceed, please. In order to make this data suitable information for decision making at the strategic, tactical, and operational level, Microsoft Excel is one of the tools used to analyze. Microsoft Excel is one of the tools used to analyze, reconcile, and sort data. We are going to do all that. These are the main reasons why Microsoft Excel skill increases one's chances of being a key staff with high pay in any organization, and also increase numerous job opportunities. During the course of this training, I'm going to show you the easiest way to learn Microsoft Excel. This includes identifying the different components of Microsoft Excel worksheets, differentiating between functions and formulas in Microsoft Excel, using at least 10 functions in Microsoft Excel, and also changing the appearances in Microsoft Excel and lots more. By the end of this training process, participants should be able to identify the components of Microsoft Excel, as I said earlier, then differentiate between functions and formula. Use at least 10 functions that are stored in Microsoft Excel, and also change the appearances of Microsoft Excel worksheets. Thank you very much. So you are welcome once again. This is just a brief. Because of this training, at least I'm one or two things. You don't even need to subscribe. We have some application software that you don't even need to subscribe. Just like Microsoft Excel. You can get it in Computer Village, install on your system. What you need to do is to get the laptop, and then you fetch yourself a job. So we are going to start with that, because all this we are going to practicalize so that we won't waste much of our time. Okay, thank you for that. So that's it. We have a little adjustment in the slide here. Not getting the screen. Spreadsheets can be traced back to 1978, but it wasn't until 1982 when Microsoft Excel is their godfather. So let's go. Why is Microsoft Excel so popular? So this is just to prepare our minds on what we are about to do, so you know the importance. Because if you don't know the importance of something, you won't know how to use it. So when you know how powerful it is, you will be attentive to learn from it. And that is what we are doing now. So we are preparing our mind to know the challenge we are going to face when we start what we have to learn. So let's continue. Another reason for Excel popularity among researchers is that charts are easier to manage and control in Excel. I know most of us, some of us, knows about Microsoft Excel. They know how charts look like, not relevant, that are not conversant with this software. So, finance and accounting are business areas where Microsoft Excel are the most used. We are going to do as at the course of this training as we go. These are some features of Microsoft Excel. When we talk of features, what are those things I will need there? What are those things I will be looking at? Slight feature of what it can do. When we talk of pivot table, I know some people knows about it, but I know maybe few of us or a lot of summarizes your data. Immediately you click on your data, you click pivot table, all those millions of figures will just make it fine. You'll not be wondering, how come this one that I've been looking for figures all about fancy? When with the click of a button, you just summarize everything. You'll be seeing it like this, like 5 million figures just in the one sheet. You'll not be wondering, how come? That's what pivot table does. Then when we talk of filter, we have those people that works in the bank here. Like those people that work in e-settlement. When you are reconciling for when you are reconciling ATM transaction, you know how voluminous it is. You know, so one person can collect 1,000 a day. You know, you go to 180, 1,000. You go to 180, 1,000. You know, all these things are issues to the back-end processor. Sum it up. All those 1,000 naira that are being taken will just give you at one glance, just a click. You are supposed to know what is Excel functions and arrays of formula, data analysis tools. All right, let's proceed. Why Excel is the best? Because they are already programmed. They will tell you immediately you click it out that goes to millions of naira and it's not giving you what to do. You know, it's so that's the reason why I would say Microsoft Excel is the best software capable of handling larger spreadsheets, millions. In fact, just talk about it. It will summarize, it will do everything for you. Spreadsheet tools with a minimum cell count of what? The capacity of this Excel we are talking about. What's the name, please? Mr. Fallen. So you are listening what's this is available for what? Strategic planning and decision making. So we are looking at the tactical level. Those are the HR heads, the marketing heads, and all those head of the department of an organization. Microsoft Excel helps to keep a track of organization financial transactions and effectively design plan that will enhance their sales in the market and also improve productivity. Fine. As a head of HR, you will present your reports to the strategic levels, to the strategic planning. So how are you going to present your report? You know all this, most of the strategic are not used to figures. Some don't even like figures at all. They just want to make profit. That's what you want to be hearing. How does it go? So you can as well use a chart to interpret your figure. Immediately they say, if I read your whole follow my law. So far, that's how we start from here.
So you want to use formula.
And now okay.
Yes. Number, that is formula.
That is 4 to
because that's the language Excel will understand. If you don't put it because I will give you value. That is not correct. Yeah? So you now start doing it shows that you have picked it. So don't pick the figure, don't pick number, pick the level, but the thing. Okay. Picking it one after the that is formula. Okay. So total is this calculator will try to get calculator of all right. Sorry. Equal side first.
I get you. Before you make projection, you look at yourself. Can I achieve it? Yes, you have to be realistic. And at the same time, you have to be ambitious. You can't just say, I want to increase my revenue by 1%. No. See, the mistake people make is that even you can project, I want to make 100%. If at the end of it, it's just to push you to want to do more. If at the end of the day, you make 80%, you are okay. Even if you make 50%, you are
that's the reason I'm asking that. Is
it doesn't mean
you get smaller projection. Yeah. If at the end of the day you are making big, that's okay.
If I will come in, if you are making, okay, you are talking on the personal view, but most times in the no, excuse me, sir, in the corporate world, they project high to drive marketers, drive your human resources, and it has to align with your resources. You can't have 1 million and projecting for 10 billion. So you have to be realistic first, then put a figure that will push you, not you just comfortable on 2%, and so it's a personal thing depending on your resources.
Okay, like for example, let's at times we produce, and projection sometimes may not give you total calculation on your end. You find something you have produced now and you want to sell it. Especially during this COVID-19 things, and people are saying, no money. So if I make a projection, sometimes you find as a fashion designer, you want to tell people that you can make it based on what you have designed, and you just assume people are going to. But the situation arises. Maybe when we are talking about if all things are equal, then you can project, and this has been a problem to me as an entrepreneur that wants to move, and it has also caged me.
Sir, let me give you an instance now. Even when the COVID started, they went to their border. Because of the COVID-19, we will be able to make what we have projected. God said, just go and let's see what you can do.
Based on
it's possible. On the other side, now, they have come to the border. Please reduce our budget.
I don't want to call our attention before that. We have a lot to cover.
Yes.
And our focus is on formula to answer questions.
It's not a new thing we do. And I have to tell you that if I will be taking this course as a lecturer in the Lagos Business School, I should be earning at least close to 2 million naira for this kind of class. And if you will be my student, you should be spending close to 250,000 naira to attend the digital marketing section. So you should know the value of what you want to get for free. When I left this place, I ran around again. This is another program coming on soon, Ojodu LCDA. I will be taking digital marketing there too. This one is not 100% free like we are enjoying here. You have to pay 5,000 naira just for your kids. So you should know that it is not everything that is free that is valueless.
Yeah.
So it now depends on how we're able to utilize whatever we have within our resources. So let's thank again Ilanomo Odua and Yoruba Professional Foundation for this totally free package. And let's not make it totally free, let's utilize it. Thank you. So That's a little about myself. If we all should narrate our story, it happened maybe but just to get to know about the person who is the small boy before you. So I'm a business person. I also do politics. In case you are seeing me tomorrow, I'm the chief press secretary to the chairman of the local government. Very close to us here. We're in Nkosi Sherry LCDA. So the LCDA very close to us there. I've been to the council and I've been to several meetings after leaving this place. I'm back here again. So that's my nation. Tomorrow morning again, I have a friend here. I will be at the commissioner office at Abeokuta before coming to this class. So this place is so important for me because I've been preparing to be here for the past 3 weeks. And I believe that after this time out, we would enjoy ourselves. Not just enjoy, we would exchange knowledge. Now, what is digital marketing? So, is there anyone here who have little or no knowledge of the use of computer? Computer. Is there anyone here so that I can know where to start with? Okay, you cannot browse. You cannot browse at all. Are you here? You can't browse the internet. Okay, it shows that we are all literate, computer literate. Yes. One interesting thing about digital marketing is that you can make do of your mobile phone to do it. But if you want to do anything professionally, the best is to make use of your desktop computer because it is convenient and you do something more seriously, you get more results. Then there are some applications that are limited on your phone, but with your desktop you can be rest assured that you are covered. So I would be explaining more of the secrets and taking you direct to what digital marketing is. Although today is supposed to be more of background knowledge, a little of theory, but we would be doing digital marketing is more of let's just get it done than story. So now, but we have to know what digital marketing is all about. Who can give me an idea of what digital marketing is all about? Your own perception.
We'll describe digital marketing in simple terms as an avenue whereby I advertise what I have for sale, either goods or services, via, in order to make sales via the online media, online platforms.
Thank you. Is there any other person? Roll it, you jam it, then you give it to us. So let us roll it. Let's roll it, let's jam it, then give it to her. So you are going to accept it and rub it all over you. One year, if you show some, if you shake it, so let's have somebody else give it a trial.
Marketing is a form of looking for customers via social media.
Okay, looking for, the word looking for there contradicts the concept entirely. It's not eating it. Looking for is like dilly-dallying. It's looking for. Yes, looking for could be correct, but it is not what we want to. Maybe you want
artificial intelligence.
Oh, you have gone out of the box. Artificial intelligence. You are going too deep. Let us remain at our digital marketing.
It's an application of.
Because when you go into artificial intelligence, you are going to pure IT. I will begin to speak a lot of jargon.
Can I try?
Please give it a try, please.
Yeah, digital marketing, I think is where you apply, is an application of technology compared to true buying and selling of goods and services.
Application of technology, I mark that, but there's something I want to hear. Okay, but buying and selling, that's trade. Yes. So I think you are connecting people. Connecting with people, which people? With my family?
No. Connecting to the world at large without necessarily
You are saying social media. You are not saying digital marketing. Okay, sir, please, sir.
Digital marketing to me is creating awareness of availability of goods or services or both in an electronic way.
Thank you. You are very correct. But if I will mark you, I will still give you 100%. Because the word creating awareness is correct, but it is just one aspect of digital marketing. There are so many things you can do with digital marketing other than just creating awareness. When we go deep into this section, you will get to understand me better. So perhaps by that time, you'll be able to define it with all those terminologies. So I am happy that we have people who can now use their brain. You don't have to say the way it was programmed to be said. It's deduced from marketing in itself. Marketing. That's what I was trying to point out. You said sales and services. You are correct. But everything about business is tied around marketing. If you are a businessman, you are not automatically a marketer. The number one, everything about the soul of business is tied around marketing. I'm sorry. A fraction of marketing. So don't go and have an idea that because you are a digital marketer, you are automatically a marketer. No, you are not. But as a marketer, operating today in this modern world, without digital marketing, you are lifeless. That's the bitter truth. Because Yoruba says, okay. So, we are now in the modern age. You cannot be practically a marketer without knowing digital marketing. But one thing about the internet is that it gives us all a leverage. We all must be marketers as far as you are in business. Another advantage of this class is that no matter the position you have in any organization, one of the skills that would add value to you is digital marketing. You can be the cleaner of that organization, but when you know digital marketing, automatically they can promote you from being a chief cleaner to the manager of that company. It's a bitter truth because everything tied around a company is results, money, profits, yes. And that's what digital marketing is centered around because it is marketing. And the CEO of a company will tell you, I'm a marketer in this company. And anybody that passes through that company is also automatically a marketer. This training that I have with me, the gate man there, we have given him handbill to go and share. Because when the whole thing also gets done, he would also come and bring his plate. Oh yeah, I may not want to be. So he's also a marketer. If you're a trainer, you're a marketer. If you're a learner, you're a marketer. Everybody is a marketer. So now that brings me to the fact that digital marketing is everything marketing. If you ask me my own way, everything marketing brought into the internet. Now, what is everything marketing? So I want to go deep into marketing. Well, the concept is that doing your business, making sales using digital means, which is either through the internet or which other ever way. I hope you know it is not only through the internet. You can do digital marketing or you can do marketing. Now, we have two types of marketing as of today. We have the traditional marketing and the digital marketing. Because the internet has disrupted the world, we now begin to have things in two places. Even today, we now have digital children.
Yes.
Okay. So, daddy digital. No. Through offline method is the traditional marketing. So, digital marketing is supposed to be the opposite of that. That is reaching people through online method. So, write it your own way. This is not a class to to tell you this is the English you have to use. I want it to sink into us so that we know what we are actually doing. Now,